Ano yun? Sa baho ba? Ano yan?
Wish, make a wish.
Hintayin muna natin masunog yung bahay.
Uy, wag pa-alarm man. Blow na blow. Lahat hindi nagmumug eh. Matanggaling work. Birthday boy.
Birthday boy! Oh, forever 33.
Yay. Cheers.
Nasa Durham na kami.
Baka may paella dito ha. Welcome to ano?
Meron kaming nakitang Filipino restaurant. Wow, stall.
Pork barbecue skewers. Basically,
Nasa yung bakla.
si John naman yung gumanon.
We're at Durham Castle. Point 5 naman, kasali pa rin kayo.
Gusto
Tita?
singit pa din eh.
Ayoko po.
Picture ka na rito. Tapos. Ano ba lang to?
Aray ko.
Kuya, yan ang supposed to put your tattoo.
Kaya nasa
Umarang naman tong...
ang ganda na sa atin. Dahan-dahan. Ito mo? Ang galing ko maging director eh.
Picture kasi tingnan mo, may patungan ng paa. Tawag ko sa inyo.
Saan? Second floor.
Ba't umangat?
Oh, what's one of the biggest dogs?
Right.
It's not Saint Bernard, is it?
No. Certain colours. If the three colours, one colour or two colours. So a St Bernard is three colours.
Yeah, yeah.
A Bernese
Normally.
Mountain Dog is three colours. These dogs swim in the water. They're from Canada.
Oh, it's Newfoundland. No.
God, well done, sir. You should have kept them going a bit longer. Too quick. Newfoundland.
Newfoundland, yes.
The mainland of Canada is called Labrador. And Labradors come from Labrador and they come from the island. So I get him to stand on there, you get a quick photograph.
Ah, yes.
Right, okay.
Ah, baby. Sa Pinas, tagal mo. Yung hindi ko tagal lang pinag-choice.
Happy. He misses.
It's like a kid in a children's shop.
I deserve all the food because I was struggling.
Peace on earth. Peace on earth.
I'm going to lock the door now. But you don't give me a slice, you don't go.
You can take the whole cake.
Kasi similar siya sa weight room, kinuha yung weights ni Raul Rosas.
Patay ka nga.
Tapos sinama niya doon sa suntukan sa...
Hoy, 1.5 views yan ha!
Oh, andito po yung mga members. Ayan.
No! We're missing! Reunion!
Si Rex.
Okay.
Kailangan.
Alam niyo ba yung dance steps?
Ate, ginamagaling ka na!
Ano yan? Tawag yun. They got it on all videos.
I don't know who's channel.
Kayo ba nang tayo?
Ba't wala ka dyan sa sa'yo, no?
Real life, andito po siya.
No one you're ready love, you know I'm scared to love, baby I know your baby's unbearable. Cause I make you mad, baby may sarang ka. You turn my limits into proof. That's a big thing to see. That's how I'm saying you can do. Baby, I'm feeling good in tongue. Every 10 seconds I'm gonna keep you nice and real. Keep smiling, keep shining. You can always count on me. For sure, for sure. Ayan pala yung pinsan ni ano. That's what friends are for. Tommy Shaw. Si Pasyo.
What am I supposed to do when the best part of me was always you? What am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces.
Harmony, harmony!
You know I'm fine for you, but how can I find someone who is you need?
Tuloy-tuloy sa'yo, hindi mo tinitignan, ma'am.
About the rest of you, I want the best of you. I never care, that's not fair. Cause I want it all, or nothing at all. There's no one left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never.
Must you love me, baby? Who you are, where you're from, what you did. As long as you love me, who you are, where you're from. As long as you love me, baby. As long
Pare, 1, 2. So tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't.
Okay. Ang mga natira po ay nagutom.
Last man standing. Hey.
Crazy ganon?
Yeah, I can separate that and rice. And that's the rice dish.
Say bye-bye to them. Bye-bye. Bye, Frankies. Bye, mate. Frankies.
Puro mga soup.
Ano ba nangyari?
Violated today. Okay na.
Kainan na naman po.
Karne na naman.
Fortunately, we're
Walang katapusang kain.
damn boy.
Reminiscent.
What the fuck?
Okay, we are on our way to Honey's. We left Kenneth's place. Waiting for our Uber. Wait. Who's the cute boy with the white jacket and a thick accent?
Bro, ini.
Hi! Hi! Hi, tita.
Are you looking here?
Ambis.
Oh,
Awi.
someone got finded. Oh,
Oh.
Auntie is cutting your nails.
Pate, 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 pate. Pero yung scoring system is 9 stats. Wow! Good. Inaway ako ni Joey to. Hindi alam niyo isa namin yung sa inyo.
Oh, this is your store, honey. So, nasa Christmas market kami.
Nandito po kami sa Germany ngayon. Kasalukuyan kami
Lamig.
nagpapa-ikot-ikot sa Germany. Medyo malamig.
Mukha na to.
Ito yung monument. Nung bata kami, dito kami nagkikita-kita. Pagka sabi namin, tara magtatayo, sabi lang namin, tara sama nyo. Yun lang yun.
Keeper. So, take away, yes. But my
Na-order ko.
What are you cooking?
The Trino.